Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can fix crashing in PUBG black screen. This is very painful because can't play the game. So I'm gonna try to show you a way to fix this problem. This is what I've tested myself and it worked, and now I can't guarantee this will work for you. Obviously it's just there is a chance it's gonna work. It's worked for my friend. I hope it's gonna work for you as well. Now this is just what I've tried, and it worked for a lot of games, not only for PUBG. So now, without wasting too much time, let's jump right into the video. And also make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. So what you have to do, fix this problem, we have to head over to settings, graphic settings, and here, if you can't locate a game here, can't locate PUBG in this list, make sure you click on the browse and go through all your files, head exactly where you saved your game, then just add PUBG from there. Click on PUBG, click on options, select high performance here and click on save. Now this is the first option. The second one, go to power, edit power plan, click on add power options. If you don't have high performance here, click on balance and then change plan settings or change advanced power settings. And then now what you have to do, now you have to go to processor power management and make sure here this is to 100% and here to 100%. Make sure, especially here, if you usually use your laptop or your computer, but if you use a computer, obviously put this 100% both. And also go to Windows updates and make sure here you go to advanced options, then optional updates, and make sure here you check all the lit boxes here. Select all the drivers available and then click on download and install. Alright. Now the next options, you can also click on PUBG, right click on options, and here compatibility, make sure you check this box, this one, and make sure you click on here and select this box as well. Click on apply and okay. I hope guys this video helped you and don't have this problem now. You can enjoy the game. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.